Shanti, good or evil choice? Make a good choice.
Good, because I'm evil. Pray so that I can be good, because I feel like I'm so evil sometimes. Okay. There, have a company.
Tell me something good about today, say Shanti.
Good about my day.
Mm.
So, today at home, before I came out, I was grumbling. Of course, siblings fight. Who doesn't fight, no? Siblings. And then, after that, I had jado, of course, and the jam siar with bait chow together. And then I got a good drivers on the way here. One give me a lift, free of course. I mean, you get to save up money now to eat aloo puri.